tripping the TL this weekend, and I'm actually down in Tucson right now. This is called Miracle Mile. It's similar to the McDowell Miracle Mile in Phoenix, except this one is indicative of the first split highway in Arizona. So I'll have to reference what this dates back to. There's my car over there. But this is a 30-foot tall neon cactus. So Arizona. Let's get on back to Phoenix. Quick TL update. My buddy Kai's here. He of course is driving a fellow Japanese luxury car. This is his LS. But we're working on a quick swap of my steering wheel. So this TL is going to get a re-leathered or reupholstered steering wheel in the next few weeks. So I need a spare steering wheel, which is perfect because he found one this weekend at the Junkyard on a CL. So here goes a quick swap. Gonna put my fake wheel on. Time to drop off the TL at Han here in Tempe, Arizona. He's been working on all my cars for many years. This will be his next challenge. It's been about a week, I guess, maybe, no, just 5 days since I dropped this thing off. Some cat had a good time with the hood, you can tell. But the good news is I have working air conditioning. So that basically takes this car to complete roadworthiness mechanically. Also had a timing belt water pump package done on it. Don't mind the steering wheel. I have some improvements coming there that you'll see soon, but let's fire it up and let's give this climate control a whirl. I hear air and I feel air, so I think we're in good shape there. Junkyard. We are looking at a 98 3.2 TL with racing stripes. Looks like they missed the roof, but they did the hood and the trunk. So interestingly enough, this had a climate control unit that was already pretty much pulled out, just needed the harnesses disconnected. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that as a spare. I'm thinking about also grabbing this wood grain trim, but my favorite thing about this car is the mileage. Can you see that? 304,000 miles on this thing. Of course, this is a 3.2, not the 2.5, but still, that is pretty impressive. Here's a little TL update today from my buddy Drew at 25 Honda. You guys may have purchased items from him on eBay or on his website, but definitely a go-to source for vintage, rare Honda and Acura stuff. So we're going to upgrade the wood grain to the wood grain shift knob here, which is a rare accessory in the Gen 1 TL. There we go. Very luxurious little update for this base model TL. The other thing I'm going to do while I'm in here at the same time, and I just realized how gross that is underneath this cup holder. One more thing to clean up, but I do have a wood grain cover here for that. Slowly, I guess, making this base model not so basic anymore. Today is an exciting day because I got a delivery from FedEx. It's been 6 weeks since I mailed off the steering wheel to this TL to Dallas, Texas. A company called Craft Customs in Rockwall did a complete upgrade on it. So let's unbox this together and see how it turned out. Whoa, you will not believe the quality of this wheel. The match with the airbag cover, they may have even re-dyed this because it is absolutely perfect. The wood here is high polished, top and bottom. Wow, I can't wait to put this in. Here's the finished product. Look at that baby. Wow, matches the wood grain on the rest of the dash perfectly, which was the whole point of sending them a sample. Awesome. I got to close this one out with a special preview of an eBay find that I came across. This is a 97 Acura press information folder. You can see it's got the 6 models here on the cover, little Velcro snap here. But inside, if I can do this one-handed, come on, there we go. There are a few different packets. So there's black and white 8x10 images for each model, along with little paragraphs down below. And then signed letter from the manager of public relations in January of '97. And then press releases on each of the cars. So it goes through the 6 models. There's a piece of paper with tech specs as well on each one. But this is particularly cool because I just love the authenticity here. This, in fact, I think this entire packet right here is just NSX and Integra, including some special promo pics of the Type R. This might be fun for a Type R collector to get their hands on. Very cool stuff. Added to the collection.